You have a chapter surface area and volumes. Here we are dealing with the surface areas and volumes of some of the mathematical figures such as cuboid, cube, right circular cylinder, hollow cylinder, sphere, hemisphere, etc. We are dealing, first we are taking the introduction. First we are taking cuboid. Its volume equals length into breadth into height. Volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. First we are studying the equations. Next LSA. LSA equals 2 into L plus B into H. That is generally LSA equals perimeter into height. Perimeter of that rectangle is 2 into L plus B. So LSA equals 2 into L plus B into H. Next we have TSA of cuboid. TSA of cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, where L is the length, B is the breadth and H is the height. Next case cube. Here also we are writing volume, LSA and TSA. First one volume. Volume of cube is side cube, that is side into side into side. Next LSA. LSA of cube is 4a square and TSA of cube is 6a square. Volume is side cube, LSA equal 4a square and TSA is 6a square. This is volume, LSA and TSA of cube. Third one, right circular cylinder. Right circular cylinder. Volume of right circular cylinder is pi r square h. That is area into height. Area is pi r square. Height is h. So volume equals pi r square h. CSA. Here it is curved surface area. CSA is 2 pi r h. Perimeter and height. Perimeter of circle is 2 pi r. So CSA equals 2 pi r h. Next TSA. TSA equals 2 pi r into r plus h. I repeat. Volume of right circular cylinder is pi r square h. Base area and height. CSA equals 2 pi r h. Perimeter and height. And TSA is 2 pi r into r plus h. Next one, hollow cylinder. Hollow cylinder. Fourth one. Here volume equals pi into r square minus r square into h. And CSA, curved surface area, equals 2 pi h into r plus r. Area of base is pi into r square plus r square. Next one, right circular cone. Fifth one, right circular cone. Its area of base is pi r square because its base is a circle. Then CSA equals pi rl. Then TSA equals pi r square plus pi rl. We can take pi r outside. Then pi r into r plus l. Then volume equals 1 by 3 pi r square h. So area of base is pi r square. CSA, curved surface area, is pi rl. L is the slant height, r is the radius. TSA is either pi r square plus pi rl or pi r into r plus l. Then finally volume equals 1 by 3 pi r square h. This is the case about right circular cone. Next one, sphere. Next one is sphere. Its volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube, where r is the radius. Then surface area. Surface area equals 4 pi r square. Volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube and surface area is 4 pi r square. Next one, hollow sphere. Volume is 4 by 3 pi into r cube minus r cube. Then hemisphere. its volume is 2 by 3 pi r cube, where r is the radius. CSA is 2 pi r square and TSA is 3 pi r square. So we should know all the formulas such as volume, CSA, TSA, such formulas we should remind. Now we can do some problems related to this formula. First one, 2 cubes, each of volume 64 centimeter cube, are joined end to end. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. 2 cubes, each of volume 64 centimeter cube, are joined end to end. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. The solution: let the side of cube should be taken as x centimeter. We know the volume of cube is side cube, so x cube, it is given as 64. So x is cube root of 64 equals 4 centimeter. When cubes are joined end to end and cuboid is formed, whose length of cuboid is 2x. So 2 into 4, 8 centimeter. This is the length of cuboid. Then width of cuboid equals x equals 4 centimeter, and height also 4 centimeter. We want to find the surface area of cuboid. We have studied the surface area of cuboid as surface area of cuboid. We have studied 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. We have to substitute the values of length, breadth and height. So 2 into 8 into 4 plus 4 into 4 plus 4 into 8. On simplification we get 2 into 32 plus 16 plus 32. The answer is 160 centimeter square. So surface area of cuboid is 160 centimeter square. Next one, a vessel is in the form of a hollow hemisphere mounted by a hollow cylinder. The diameter of the hemisphere is 14 centimeter and the total height of the vessel is 13 centimeter. Find the surface area of the vessel. I repeat, a vessel is in the form of a hollow hemisphere bounded by a hollow cylinder. The diameter of the hemisphere is 14 centimeter and the total height of the vessel is 13 centimeter. We have to find the surface area of the vessel. Here I draw a rough figure. This is the radius capital R and this is here the radius is small r. Then we have given the diameter of hemisphere is 14. So the diameter of hemisphere equal 14. So that radius is half of 14, 7 centimeter. Here diameter of hemisphere is 14 centimeter. So radius is 7. Therefore diameter of cylinder also equal to that. Diameter of cylinder, that is also 14 centimeter. So this capital R can be taken as 7 centimeter. Then the height is up to this 13 centimeter. So total height of the vessel is 13 centimeter, that is given. So height of cylinder is 13 minus 7. We want to subtract the radius from the total height. So height of cylinder is 6 centimeter. Now inner surface area of vessel equals inner surface area of cylinder plus inner surface area of hemisphere equals 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R square. We can take 2 pi R outside. 2 pi R into S plus R. Here inner surface area of vessel equals inner surface area of cylinder plus inner surface area of hemisphere. By equation we get 2 pi RH. The equations we have studied previous 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R square. So taking 2 pi R square outside. 2 pi R into S plus R. Now we have to substitute the values. We know the value of pi is 22 by 7 and R is also this 7 centimeter into 6 plus 7. 6 is the height of cylinder. On simplification we get 44 into 13, that is 572 centimeter square. So the answer is 44 into 13, 572 centimeter square. Next problem. A toy is the form of a cone. A toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on a hemisphere of same radius. The total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeter. Find the TSA of the toy. A toy is in the shape of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on a hemisphere of same radius. The total height of toy is 15.5 centimeter. We have to find the TSA of the toy. First, we can draw a rough figure. A hemisphere is mounted. This radius is given as 3.5 centimeter. And the height is given as 15.5 total height. So radius of cone equals radius of hemisphere, that is given. Radius of hemisphere, it is given as 3.5 centimeter. It is given as both the radius are same. Total height of the toy is given as 15.5 centimeter. Then height of cone. Height of cone, we have to subtract 3.5 from 15.5 total height. So 15.5 minus 3.5, we get 11 centimeter. Then TSA of toy equals surface area of cone plus surface area of hemisphere. We know surface area of cone is pi RL plus surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. So here we can take pi r outside. So pi r into L plus 2r. We have to substituting the values. 22 by 7. R is 3.5 into 12.5 plus 2 into 3.5. So on simplification we get the answer as 214.5 centimeter square.